Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add anchor in Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor and click on add, and from this list select menus and anchor, and now drag the anchor to the position, and now you can give the anchor name here. And here you can see the anchor has been added. And now click on menus and pages and click on add a link, and from here select anchor, which page, select the page, and which anchor, click here and select the anchor and click on done. So this was how we can add anchor in Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.